Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you fix your YouTube if it's not working on your Wi-Fi. For this, you have to simply open your YouTube app and there you can see your channel profile icon. You have to click on it on the top right corner and there you can go to the option of settings. On the fourth, you can see the option of video quality preferences. You have to click on it. There you got two options. The second option is video quality on Wi-Fi. If it is turned on the higher picture quality or the auto, you have to turn on the data saver. Sometimes your Wi-Fi network is not stable or its speed is weak, then you will not be able to play YouTube videos on higher picture quality. So this is the main reason. So you have to only click on the data saver. After this you will be able to use your YouTube on Wi-Fi. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question please mention in the comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.